So here I am going to discuss the another question which is based on designing of three address code. So here I have taken a question and I am going to explain this question in detail. Okay, so here is a loop, and in this loop the condition is a less than b, and if condition is true then we will perform a equals to b plus c. So our task is very simple. Whenever a's value is less than b, then the value of b plus c is assigned into the a, and whenever the value of a is greater than b, then we will simply exit from the loop. Okay, so let's start the designing of three address code for a loop. So whenever we are going to design a three address code for a loop, so a condition which is associated with a loop is simply mentioned in this manner. If, and the same condition is imposed here which is provided in a loop. So if a less than b, and then go to level, and I will define a go to level letter. Okay, and in the second step I have already told you that the second line after if statement is treated as an else. So it means whenever a less than b condition is false, then second line will be executed. Or we can say in a reverse manner, whenever a less than b is true, then we will move into the go to level, and otherwise our routine task is to move into the next three address code, and the next three address code is 2, so it will definitely move here in the second level of three address code. Okay, so whenever this condition is false, so our execution is stop or simply exit. So here I would like to exit. I would like to write a three address code for a exit statement. Okay, so here I will mention a level after completing some more steps, because I have no idea how much a three address codes generated for a body of a while loop. Okay, and here now I am mentioning a level 3. Why 3? Because at the third level I am going to solve the body of a while loop, body of the while loop, and in the body of the while loop here you can see that a equals to b plus c. So first of all I would like to write a three address code for the this statement a equals to b plus c. So simply we will write b plus c and assign its value into the t1, and the next step is to store the value of t1 into the variable a, and then after here you can see that after performing this instruction a equals to b plus c, our control moves again and evaluated a less than b. It means the condition a less than b is evaluated in the statement number 1. So here we will write the statement go to level and then 1. Okay, and these are the three address code which is sufficient to explain this while loop. Okay, and this is the last step. So here I am going to define this statement as an exit statement, and now I am mentioning here the level of exit is 6. Okay, so this is the solution of a particular while loop. And in the next question, here you can verify the answer. If a less than b, go to level 3 and then go to level 6, and then t1 equals to bc, and then a equals to t1 and go to and then exit. Okay, so I have already stored this answer, and I am explaining this one how we will design it. Okay, and now I am going to discuss the another question. So just wait a minute. So in the next question again I have taken a while loop, but here is something change, and here you can see that this statement is initialization of a variable, in my previous question this type of statement is not mentioned, and here again you can say that a less than 10 means a condition, and in this loop the body have a two statement. In a previous question only one statement is provided, but in this question two statements is provided. Okay, so I'm going to design the three address code for this statement. So I'm going to write a first three address code, and the first line of the code is a equals to 0. So here simply a equals to 0, and a equals to 0 is already in a three address code form, so we will simply write a equals to 0. And then after, in the second line, our while loop is executed, so we will apply a condition a less than 10 and then define its go to level. Okay, and the next step, whenever this condition is false, so simply we will exit from the while loop. So here again we are going to define the exit process. Okay, and now I'm going to now I'm going to define the body of the while loop. So here I'm going to mention the level, and that is a 4, because from the fourth line I'm going to implement the body of the while loop. Okay, so in this loop there are two statement, x equals to x plus 1 and a plus plus. A plus plus is nothing but a equals to a plus 1. So you can say that both statement in a similar manner. Okay, so here I am using a temporary variable t1, and in this temporary variable I have stored the value of x plus 1, and then after assign the value of t1 into variable x, and the next, so these two statements are sufficient to evaluate x equals to x plus 1 according to three address coding technique. And then after, the next is t2 equals to a plus 1, because a plus plus is treated as a equals to a plus 1, so we will follow a same procedure which is apply here in x equals to x plus 1. Okay, and in the seventh step a equals to t2. Okay, and in the eighth step and in the eighth step, after performing these two statements, our control moves again in this conditional statement. So in this level we are moving a control again in the line number 2, and the last statement is our exit statement. So here I am going to define the exit statement, and now I am defining here the exit level is 9. Okay, so this is the answer of this while loop. Okay, thank you.